Hi guys, my name's Charles Gray. I'm here today with REYU, where I'm going to be styling James, my model's hair here, with the REYU Cream, where we're going to be recreating a very soft, natural middle part, which is going to work with the natural movement of his hair. So the product that we're going to be using on James's hair is going to be the REYU Cream, which gives a light hold and a natural shine to the hair, adding lots of moisture, which is going to enhance the movement and curl within the hairstyle. We're now going to focus on applying the REYU Cream into the hair. And what I love most about the fragrance is that it has that beautiful woody scent to it. You'll notice that the cream itself is very light, meaning that we can apply and reapply if necessary. And again, we can work this product onto damp hair and also dry hair. So we want to distribute it evenly through our hands and start to scrunch the product in through the mid-lengths and ends. This is where we're going to focus the main part of the cream and the styling, as we want to enhance the curl and the movement within James's hair. Once we've applied the product through the mid-lengths and ends and distributed it evenly, we can then go on to the placement and styling of the haircut. All REYU products are made in the UK and focused on sustainability. The packaging is made from glass and aluminium, which is infinitely recyclable. Even the merchandising is crafted with natural bamboo and FSC wood. Now we've prepped the hair with the product whilst damp, we can apply the parting into the hair very naturally and then start to diffuse the hair with the diffuser attachment on the hairdryer. This will allow me to get a very natural finish on the hairstyle and enhance the movement and curls through the front of the hair. Once we have the hair positioned in the pre-styling, we can now focus on the diffusing part of the hairstyle. With the combination of the hairdryer on a low heat and a slow speed setting, with the cream, which will help smooth out the hair, we should get a really nice, beautiful, natural movement and result in the hair. Now we finish the drying process with the hairdryer. This is a really good opportunity to apply a little bit more cream into the hair to increase a little bit more moisture from the drying process. The great thing about this product is that you can keep applying more and more until necessary. It's got a very light hold to the product and a very low shine to the product. So as long as we keep scrunching into the dried hair, we should find that point where we find it has enough moisture in, but it doesn't weigh the hair down. The thing I love about REYU is that it's for professional salons only. It allows you to bring your brand to life and take control of your products without competition from online retailers. Having your own brand creates independence and gives you the freedom to set your own pricing and maximize your profits. We can see with the finished look on James that we have a very lightless finish. We also have a very natural shine to the hair, and we have that beautiful natural movement coming out in the hair, which is completely created from the REYU Cream. I hope you've enjoyed watching this tutorial where I've been using the REYU Cream. I'll see you soon.